Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. All you guys gotta do is check it out now. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. And if you got some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, click the link, add it to your cart, check out, and they can ship it to you fast. There you go. This is coming from, oh boy, no namer. Who is this from? Semicircle solar fence light. That's all what it says, but it'll be corrected in the title once I get it rolling. So, we got Father's Day coming up, Prime Day coming up. So you might want to add this to the list or check it out now. Take advantage of the sale. Set up for your graduation parties, your outdoor backyard parties, 4th of July parties coming up. You get the screws. You get some stuff. Get 2 set. LED. Oh, got a little bubble wrap. Oh yeah. Okay, button. Button. These go together. All these are separate. Oh, that's cool. You can mount these anywhere. And it's bam. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount them at it though. This one. Yeah, this one needs to be charged. Oh, there we go. There we go. That works good. So we got 2, 3, and 4. Here's another one. Look at these solars. These are nice design. Really impressed. Oh, sorry about that. Waterproof. Boom, boom, boom. Same as that one. And he's got to push the button right there. There we go. Yeah, these are definitely nice. I like these. We're gonna go install them. I'll be back. Guys, I'm gonna show this really quick. It's too raining outside right now to hook these up, but get these now before they're gone, because they will sell out. Look at that. And then you just gotta mount it like this along the fence, like so. There you go. So check them out. Link will be down below. Get them now. LED solar fence lights. Really cool, especially for your backyard parties, graduation parties, and all that birthday parties. 4th of July. You name it. These are the good ones to get. Get them now. Be safe. Have a good holiday. See you soon.